Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the concept of Lok Adalat. Day before yesterday, that is on 11th Feb 2023, we had a Lok Adalat. Now, what do you understand by the term Lok Adalat? Lok Adalat is one of the alternate dispute resolution or redressal mechanisms. It is a forum where disputes or cases pending in the court of law or at the pre litigation stage are settled or compromised amicably. Lok Adalats have been given statutory status under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. Lok Adalats is deemed to be a decree of a civil court and is final and binding on all parties, and no appeal against such an award lies before any court of law. If the parties are not satisfied with the award of the Lok Adalat, though there is no provision for an appeal against such an award, but they are free to initiate litigation by approaching the court of appropriate jurisdiction by filing a case by following the required procedure in exercise of their right to litigate. There is no court fee payable when a matter is filed in Lok Adalat. If a matter pending in the court of law is referred to Lok Adalat and is settled subsequently, the court fee originally paid in the court on the complaints or petition is also refunded back to the parties, which is a huge sigh of relief for the parties. The persons deciding the cases in Lok Adalats are called the members of the Lok Adalats. They have the role of statutory conciliators only and do not have any judicial role. Now, what are the nature of cases to be referred to Lok Adalat? Any case pending before any court, any dispute which has not been brought before any court and is likely to be filed before the court,